out the mess. Drop it in the water, let the daughter find an image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, my name is Cra'Deja, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I decided to do this glueless wig from Alipearl Hair Company. So this wig right here, it is the 26-inch straight 13 by 6 lace frontal wig in the 250% density, and I also am wearing a small cap size. So as you guys can see, they have upgraded this wig here with the single knots. It is very seamless, it looks very natural, and we're going to go ahead and get into this install. So with the glueless wig install, we're going to be applying our wig as if we were using any glue. I usually do glue installs, but I decided to switch it up. I'm a mom now. I don't have as much time, and I often switch my hair very often. So I decided to go in with this method. But right now, I'm just go ahead and slicking my hair back with some of this even hairspray. This is in the black can, and it is the Extreme Hold. I'm placing this all around my hairline, and I'm going to mold my hairline back and get ready for this install. I am using this cap right here to kind of just hold my hair back while I position the wig how I want it to, and I'm just getting a feel of how it's going to be before I actually install it. So now I'm going in and I am putting this wig on my canvas head so that I can do this little peak method that I just really saw going around online, and I just feel like it looks very, very natural, and I just wanted to bring something different to my install. So I decided to carve out the widow's peak. As you guys can see, I'm kind of cutting into the hair from this corner. I am going to show the front view of it as well, and I just begin to rip the hairs out. So when you do this, you want to just take a little bit hair up at a time and be very, very careful when it comes down to pulling the hair so that you don't rip the actual lace. Take your time, there is no rush if you are going to do this. So now that you see that as I'm pulling this hair out, you're beginning to see more of that widow's peak look. And I decided to go ahead and pluck the hair as I usually would. I just kind of like to pluck it a little bit more for my liking. It does come pre-plucked like I said earlier, but I just kind of wanted more and more of a natural look, so I decided to go in and pluck some more of this hair out. So the hair that you see carved out, that is what I'm imagining is going to be some baby hairs. If I decided to do baby hairs on this wig, I thought about it, but I just decided against it as I was installing it, as I felt like it just looked very, very natural, and that's just the look that I was going for. So I pulled that hair back, and I'm just going in a little bit more and cleaning up this area right here to emphasize more of the widow's peak. And that is what it looked like once I was done with that side. So I decided to hot comb it back, make sure it looks exactly how I want it to, so that I can make sure how it looks exactly how I want it to on my head. And I decided to go in and pluck the other side, and this is what I got at the end. If you guys want to pluck some more, you guys definitely can. I usually pluck a little bit while it's on the canvas head, and then I'll pluck even more when it's on my actual head. So now you guys see that I'm going in with the makeup that I used in the beginning that I thought I was going to put on my bald cap. You want to go ahead and put that on your lace on the top of it so that it can really make sure that the color is good and in there. And I just decided to take that same even hairspray that I used earlier, spray it on my hairline, and this time I'm going to reinforce the lace into the spray. Like I said, this is a glueless method, so we're not using any glue at all. The only thing that we're using here is the spray, and you can take this wig off at nighttime if you want to, and then just do the same thing in the morning time. It literally takes no time. Just spray your hairline, put your band on, style it exactly how you want it to, and you're good to go. It's super duper easy, super duper time efficient, and I'm just using my blow dryer here to just go in and reinforce the product, make sure it's firm, make sure it's set. And I put my band back on. This is a band that I got from Alipearl that they sent inside of the package, and you can use this band as well to reinforce your spray. So as you guys can see, I'm going in with the hot comb, and I'm just molding the hair exactly how I want it to. This is your opportunity here if you want to go in and pluck some more to get it to look even more natural. You can pluck more. I don't usually pluck more sometimes because I know that, as you know, we know with all things, a wig is going to shed over time. So I want to try to keep as much hair on the wig as possible with it looking as natural as it possibly can without jeopardizing that opportunity. Like with all wigs, you want to go in and you want to remove the lace, cut the ear tabs off. And now we're getting into seeing if I want to do baby hairs. Like I said, I did decide against it, but this is a great opportunity that if you want to do baby hairs, this is what you're going to do. You're going to carve out a little bit of the hairline and go back in with that cream foundation that I use from Ruby Kisses, and then you're going to put that on your hairline and just reinforce that makeup look. I would say if you are going to do a glueless wig, make sure with the widow's peak method that you are placing it exactly where you want it to, because I did have to lift it up. As you guys can see on the right side is not lying down because I had to lift it up and reposition it exactly where I wanted it to be on my head. I felt like at first it kind of made my forehead look a little big, but that's just my own opinion of it. But I'm going back in with the even hairspray and you guys see it literally blended perfectly again. So of course you want to get rid of that cast that your makeup can possibly bring. So I decided to spray some of the even hairspray on my finger and place my finger on the lace to give it that seamless look. I'm also going in with some lace tint and I'm going to spray it on my hair line so that it blends everything perfectly. But you're going to want to make sure that you quickly put on the hairband so that you don't allow the lace to lift. I'm going back in with my hot comb. And now I'm going to take this opportunity to actually style my hair. As you guys see, it did come in the middle part and I decided to stick with the middle part look. So I'm just going in and I'm just reinforcing exactly how I want my hair to be, styling it, getting it perfect. You know, you want to use the hot comb so that your hair is super duper flat. And I just was going down, I was going for the, you know, middle part bust down look that we know is super duper what am I trying to say? This is just a look that I just wanted to go for. So I decided to use my flat iron, go in and press this hair out even more. Like I said, it did come very, very straight. But of course, you know, I wanted to make sure that my hair looks polished. And I decided to pull out these little small baby hairs. I took my razor and went at it. I also took some cream foundation down the middle to give it even more of that natural look. So if this don't look natural, y'all, I don't know what does. This is completely glueless. If this video was of any help to you, definitely don't forget to like it, comment down below what you want to see more of, and follow me on social media if you haven't already. This wig is so beautiful. But anyways, y'all have an amazing one. I love y'all. Peace.